This is Carol from Inspiredby. Today I'm participating in the Summer Bar Card collaboration. It is hosted by Diana from She Leaves a Little Sparkle and Hannah from Hanna Watkins. Now this is a outdoor bar collaboration. Because of the horrible weather we've been having for this past week, it's been raining every single day. Come on inside with me and I'm going to show you how I style my bar card as I would if I was styling it for the outdoors. The cart that I use in the summertime is twice the size of this, but I try to get everything on here for you to see. I tend to have the basics, which is the vodka, rum, gin, scotch, rye, red wine, and white wine. And here you can see I have some of my garnishes, which is my lemon and my lime. Always make sure that these are washed. In this container, I also have like orange juice and cranberry juice. This can be used as mix or to be used just to drink, because a lot of people do not like alcohol. Right over here, I also have a blender for anybody who wants to make their own drinks. I also have the margarita mix, so anybody who wants to make any drinks can use the blender. And I have the shakers and the Angostura bitters. And in this container, I do have a knife, bottle opener, wine stoppers, and I also have a peelers in there. Over here I have the ice, since it couldn't fit on the card, but ice is very, very important, especially in the summertime. I always have a lot of ice. Right here is just a continuation of all the different drinks that I have. I also have like a pina colada mix. I have the, I think, strawberry margaritas back there. Here you see the shot glasses, and you also see all the different styles and sizes glasses. Some of the glasses above are actually plastic. Over here I have a container that I have like serviettes, different juices, olives, all the garnishes. You can see that I also have some straws. We have strawberries in there. Anything to replenish the bar card as the day goes along. So I'd like to thank Hannah from Hanna Watkins, and I'd like to thank Diana from She Leaves a Little Sparkle for this invite into this collaboration. I'd also like to encourage everyone to go and see the other participants' bar cards. And if you like what you saw today, please like, share, and hit that subscribe button. And this is Carol from Inspiredby. Thank you.